YouTube channel. My name is Akash. Let's start today with the Google Cloud setup for Python. So basically, I'm logged in here on my Google account, and now I'll go to SSH, the Cloud Console basically. So the Cloud Console is going to open now, and we'll be deploying the Python environment on the Google Cloud itself. So let's see how to do that. And importantly, we're gonna have a look about which operating system the particular host over here is using. So you can see it's already loaded and just initializing the other parameters on the Google Cloud. So this is a free version, so anyone can use it. So you can see it has just opened. It's a fresh new install or a fresh new deployment. So let's see. So I'm gonna just list it, and you can see this, the readme directory is the same as readme directory, and I'm gonna see the present working directory. So you can see the Akash Angle, that's the name of the user is the same as Akash Angle. So I can check as who am I, it will print as Akash Angle. So we can see this is the home folder. And now let's check few more things. um, we can become a root, so we just go to sudo space tech I. So we become a root, we can have a look. So we are the root. So now let's see which operating system this is. So cat etc hyphen issue. So let's see. So it shows Debian and it's 9. So we are not aware it's a rolling Debian release or a stable release. So we need to find out more about it. So we can execute few more commands. So let's type lsb underscore release space stat hyphen a. Oh, this command is not working. So it's Debian stretch lsb underscore release hyphen a. Anyways, so we're gonna see the kernel version, these details, it's up to date. Yes, we can see more over here. It's 4 dot, I'll just zoom it for you guys, you can see it better. 4.19. Let's see the latest kernel over here. So we're just having a look. So 5.6, 4.9 is a long-term support, so it's fairly fine. Let's update this. So apt is using Debian 9, so we can just apt update as a normal command since we are the root, and it's getting updated. So let it just update all the packages. Meanwhile, we're gonna install Python 3.7, which is the latest one. So we'll just go to google.com and we'll just go to Python download. So you can just have a look. The latest release is 3.8.3, but we'll prefer the 3.7 version. We can download this version, but still I already have a Stack Overflow page wherein all the necessary things have been mentioned, so it's pretty easy. So what I'll do, I just copy this and let's see if things have been upgraded. Yes, it has been updated, so we'll upgrade these things. So let's see what's happening. 33.9 MB needs to be updated, and now it's getting updated. So I'm just going pretty fast, and let's see what happens. So quickly we are into the root and we'll install Python 3, the latest 3.7 to be precise, and we'll see what happens. So I think it should be yes. No problem, we'll open a new tab and we'll see the Python version which we are currently using over here. So that is also very important. So I'll just zoom in. Just a moment. Just zoom in and we'll see Python version. So as you can see, it's using the older version which has been deprecated as of now. We're gonna install the newer one. So let's get started. I'm gonna paste this over here, and these are the tools we're using: apt get install, all the necessary packages. I'm gonna hit on enter, and I think we're stuck over here. Still getting configured, so we'll just wait for some time. So it's showing the options over here: MySQL Server 1, 2, 3, 4 is for OK. So we'll hit on 4, and yeah, that looks fine to me. And now let's see what happens. So it's installing, as you can see. So my internet is pretty slow. It's working pretty fine as of now. So once we do that, what we want to do is make a directory and into the temp folder and post that with cd into that directory. I'm just copy pasting it just for convenience, you see. So once we're seeded into this, so you can see the present working directory. We're into the temporary folder. So let's pull the package using wget. And wget is a tool to pull or fetch from the internet. So we already pulled or fetched the file. So now we are gonna extract the tar file, the tar ball, basically. Yes, that's the correct term, tar ball. So we're gonna extract it, and it's super fast, as you can see, because we are just extracting it. And we'll cd into that. Just a moment. So cd into that, and then we'll configure, and then so we'll just configure that. It's working, it's working, it's working. Takes time sometimes. And then I want to just paste this and make it install. So no errors so far. So if everything works correctly at the end, we can get the Python version 3.7. So that is what we need over here. That is what you're looking out for. Post that we might require pip, that is pip, Python installer packager. It's not necessary, but it's one of the core parts of Python. Still working on that.